RICOMM is a PD charger. Comes in a nice package case that you open up here, magnet, and it's for anything that you need to charge, PD, USB-C, and more. So let's open this bad boy up, show you what it's about. The 110 VAC foldable prongs fold in and out, as you can see, for portability, so when you're on the go. USB-A and the PD USB-C charging cable. You have a USB-A plug that you plug in correctly. Multiple chargers like Lightning, USB-C, and micro cable. Plug into the AC outlet. Plug in. Grab your phone. We are charging our phone. Grab another device and we're able to charge multiple devices with a cable. We are given a cable that is pretty long that you could plug into the unit, USB-C PD charging, and you want to quick charge your camera, you're able to do that. This is a quick charge, as you can see, the big circle around, and we are charging. 65 watts of power. AC charger ports, they're great for just about anything that you can see that you could turn on a camera and go ahead and do extended record times and more. This is the RC651 GaN technology, PDC charger, USB-A charger, and more that can run your laptops, phones, cameras, and more. It comes with an extended cord, USB-C to C. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, portable needs of charging.